Tired of wrestling with clunky chatbot training pipelines that devour hours of your day? Designers and front end developers know the struggle. Inconsistent data formatting, cryptic NLP libraries, and zero visibility into model performance until it's too late. This skill automates data scraping from websites, social feeds, and CRMs, deploys Spacey and NLTK for tokenization and named entity recognition, leverages AutoML to fine tune BERT based models, and validates accuracy with confusion matrices and F1 scores, all without writing a single ML line. Say goodbye to works on my machine chaos and hello to chatbots that actually understand your users. Here's what's inside the Building Chatbot Training Pipeline skill. Automated web crawlers harvest conversational data from Zendesk, Twitter, and Shopify. Text preprocessing includes lemmatization, stop word removal, and intent labeling with text blob. AutoML selects optimal hyperparameters for transformer models, while the validation dashboard stress tests responses using A/B testing and sentiment analysis. You get expert markdown guides, Python scripts for custom entity extraction, and sample flows for e-commerce FAQs. And it works everywhere: Claude Code, Cursor, Gemini CLI, Windsurf, Copilot, Warp, and more. This is the last chatbot tool you'll ever need to Google. Installing the Building Chatbot Training Pipeline skill takes one command: npx quanta-skills add building-chatbot-training-pipeline. That's it. You'll download the complete skill, expert level Jupyter notebooks, pre-built scraping configs, and validation metrics templates ready to customize. Your next Claude code session auto-detects the skill, empowering your AI assistant to debug pre-processing errors, suggest model tweaks, and generate deployment-ready JSON schemas. It's like giving your workflow a PhD in chatbot whispering, minus the 7-year academic meltdown.